Hi, I'm Polly Bauer. You know, not a day goes by that people don't stop me and say, Polly, you've been in your career for 50 years. What's the #1 skill that you would recommend for us, even if we're not in your same industry? Hands down, professional speaking skills. And the #1 speaking facility in the world, the Harvard of speaker training, the Bill Gove Speech Workshop. So I picked up the phone, I looked up online to find the top 10 speakers, 7 figures, in the nation. 100% of those people said to me, Polly, hands down, it's the Bill Gove Speech Workshop. So if you're on this website, you've got the same passion I had. I just wanted to be confident and comfortable and be able to walk out, if necessary, and speak to thousands, or be able to use those same skills when I'm negotiating contracts with 2 or 3 CEOs in Japan. Those skills have saved my life and made me lots of money. So if you're on that website right now, I encourage you, register. This is the best gift you will ever give yourself. And then join us as graduates where you can have the career of your lifetime.